Hey, good morning, everyone. Today I am here to show you a demo of the project which I just created. It's an clock, basically. So हम लोग यहाँ पे discuss करने वाले हैं how we have built this project. It's a very simple project using only vanilla JavaScript. इसमें कोई fancy framework use नहीं किया गया है. Only through the some basic DOM operations using CSS and HTML, this project was built. In between, we have used a little bit of jQuery to make our code little shorter, but rest of the things are pretty straightforward using JavaScript. Okay, so let's move on to the project. So ये हमारा folder structure है. You can see I have created a folder called alarm clock. So इसको जल्दी से जल्दी Visual Studio Code में open कर लेते हैं. And you can see I have imported these files. Already I have built this project. So quickly going to the index.html page. Basically ये हमारा basic structure है website का. So let me tell you, इस project में हम लोग dynamically भी inject कर रहे हैं HTML element. Okay, so this is the basic index.html page. यहाँ पे हमने एक div बनाया, div के अंदर हमने बाकी सारा चीजें सेट किया है. बाकी अब जो देख पा रहे थे इस photo में you can see it. So this is basically the styling part was done through CSS. Basic stylings hai. Okay, so now going back to the styles.css part, you can have a look. Okay, but mostly project is all about the like JavaScript. So I will come to the JavaScript part. So अगर मैं feature का बात करूँ, let's go to the localhost, and let me tell you about the feature. You can see a clock is running and you can see the current time. It's moving every second, it is updating, right? So that's there, and you can set the particular alarm by yourself. So suppose if you give time like 6 a.m. in the morning, so yeah, you can give it PM. So once you click here, you can see the list of alarm is coming over here. So you can again give it 7. So a 7 p.m. alarm, back to back 2 alarms has been set. So how did you just achieve this functionality? So basically what I have done to achieve this, basically it's just a click event. So once you click in this button, all this data has been stored in the local variable, and then those has been updated inside this dynamically injected HTML. Okay, and we have designed accordingly. So it's a great feature. And if you want to delete the alarm, then also it is possible. Suppose 7 p.m. you don't want it, so you can delete it. So this is how it is working. But there is a very interesting feature with this, that is, suppose right now the timing is 8:32. So I just to make look realistic, 8:32, and I will set an alarm straight away in front of you at 39 a.m. That's today. Set an alarm and let's see what happens when this time arrives. Just wanted to make you understand. So basically, I have set it in such a way when this time arrives. So I am showing the user the alert message. It's alarm time. So in case in future, if you want to add some more functionality that it should ring, it is also possible. But as of now, for a beginner project, this is just the beginner project. So that's why I'm not using much complexity in this project. But yeah, this can be achievable. So in the backend, what is happening? Let me quickly go you through this whole code. So basically, we have used event delegation for this particular purpose, because you can see one thing here, few of these buttons like delete buttons, these are dynamically injected. So when you refresh the page, all these buttons are not available. So you just can't use like without event delegation, it will be very difficult for you to adjust this delete button click event. Okay, so that's why we are using event delegation. So when set alarm button is clicked, then one particular function is called, and when this is the set alarm button, and that time basically you are capturing all this data, and then you are dynamically inject those data to the particular HTML, and that's how. And how basically we are deleting. So for deleting, we are actually catching, when we click the delete button, we are catching the particular element, and then based on that we are deleting the parent element of that particular delete button. So that's how it is happening. And the last thing which we have done is the, like, how the alarm part is coming. It's quite simple, but yeah, still tricky. We have to हम लोगों को क्या करना पड़ता है यहाँ पे, basically we are iterating through whole the alarm list, and we are checking the time whatever is set. If the current time is equals to the set time, then we are showing the alert. So here, if you don't want this alert, then you can write a function for the ringing. That's also possible. So definitely we will do that in the future development. This is just the initial stage. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and obviously I will share the link of GitHub for the code in the description very soon. Okay, thank you for watching.